Hold the GoPro just like that. Just like that. What are you doing? Trucks and water here, and as you saw in the beginning clips, we got some roller shots of the convoy we're having coming down Chattanooga. We've got about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6-ish, 7-ish trucks in this convoy. I woke up late, my alarm never went off for some odd reason, so we're running a little bit late, but we're about to make it down here. We're almost at the junction where we have to turn off. I got Kevin with here that you've seen some other vlogs. I've got a bunch of people behind me. So that guy's Cape Hauling it right now with his foot on the tow mirror. But yeah, we're about to make it, and then we'll go from there. It's gonna be an awesome show. It's gonna be supposed to be a really good turnout actually, so should be a good day. Alright guys, we have finally made it to the show. We just got done detailing all the OBSs. We got another OBS coming, and we got my buddy that y'all remember from 2 rod runs ago. It's been that long. Wow. Anyway, so we're gonna be walking around the show, looking at all the trucks. We'll walk around, show them off and whatnot. We have another guy with an OBS coming. We might try to get him in the show. I don't know how that's gonna work out though. Where's my Chick-fil-A at?
I don't know. We got it for us. Hey.
So when are we doing the 4th gen review?
Let's do it now. Whatever, man.
Do something for the camera, don't just stand there. Shotgun the water at least, do something. Alright guys, the show's about to start leaving. Everybody's starting to leave. We're gonna head outside and meet up with everybody so we can do some pictures and some rollers and stuff. It was a great show. It was awesome meeting all of you. Awesome talking to a lot of familiar faces and some new ones. So from here, who knows where we're gonna go. And we're rolling out. There's a Duramax. That's a nice GMC Duramax. I love that front end of those Duramaxes. Oh dear Lord. Oh Lord, help me.
You're clear my way.
Okay. That's what always scares me about these mirrors is how tight of a fit it is. Look at all the geese. Look at that. All that is geese, and he parked right in where the geese are. Got the shorty Cummins. That beautiful cat eye. And just hold the GoPro just like that. Just like that. How's that look?
It looks good. Alright. Thank y'all so much.
Thank you guys. What are you doing? So, you know, this is a very nice historical landmark full of history, and what do? We park 5 trucks right in front of it. How many people say we've pissed off so far?
Quite a few.
Okay, all right, we're doing. That's the point of the lifted truck community, guys. We just basically piss people off. That's all we do. We just make the public hate us. We roll coal constantly. I mean, yeah, and their gas burns, of course, but we roll coal. I mean, that's just the name of the nature of the beast. And half of us literally have our keys in the ignition right now. So we can't go anywhere in a convoy of trucks where people just stay in a straight line. And he's off the grass. Wait, Graham gonna do it? And Graham's in the grass. Oh my God. What are you doing? Oh my God. Oh my God. Alright guys, we are starting to head back to Knoxville. It was a great, awesome meet. Got to meet a lot of new people, a lot of old familiar faces, which is always good. Huge shout out to Davin and Graham for coming out and rolling. We're running 3 OBSs deep right now up through Chattanooga, headed northbound right now. It was a great weekend, guys. You can't complain about that. Of course, we got Kevin still here with us. He's still here. We didn't leave him somewhere, so even though he was looking at deer the whole time in the park.
Still hanging around.
Still hanging around. So we're gonna head north, we'll see what's going on, and we'll go from there. Alright guys, today is currently Sunday. Last night we got back from Chattanooga about probably about 11. Well, I got back to my house about 11:30. It was a great time meeting you all down there. Like I said, awesome meeting new faces, familiar faces, of course. Hanging out with all the guys and whatnot. Great weekend. Definitely needed weekend. But right now I'm at Fox Toyota. They got this thing in. It's 4th gen Cummins diesel SLT model though, so doesn't have the interior I want whatsoever. It's an SLT package. Got tinted windows though, so that's a good feature. No sticker on it, so I guess just a recent truck they got in. It looks pretty damn clean. Of course, you've seen this one before, but this is new. Silver one. Is it an L5P though, is the real question. Unless it's a hood swapped LML, this isn't L5P. So, silver, Salt Life, black center console, just the way I like it. Nice looking truck. It says Salt Life on, which maybe concerns me. It's been near the ocean, which could be and could not be a bad thing, guys. Just depends on how they took care of it. If it's been in salt water or been washed every weekend, you know, gotten the salt off of it. It looks like a very clean truck. The pinstripe needs to go though. That's crap. I don't like that, but nice truck. So I'm at my local Ford dealership because they got this truck I've been kind of eyeballing on pictures, and I don't know how I liked it on pictures. It looked kind of weird. It's a Lariat, but it's the blackout package. Like when I saw the front end of this on like a picture, you know, I had mixed feelings on it, even though my whole front end on my K1500 is all blacked out. But anyways, now that I see this truck in person though, I really dig it. It's got the black outline trim along the lights and stuff. I mean, I really dig that. I think it looks really good on this truck now. The silver with the black, especially if you went like 22 by 12s, the black with a milled accent finish on this, or even a solid black, would look really good. And again, not a fan of these running boards whatsoever, but I do like the blacked out look more than I do like the silver look. See, this one's going for 61? Oh, that's why, because it's a gasser. It's not a diesel. So if it was a diesel, it'd probably up it a lot more than just that. But compared to like, this is an XLT, but it's a Power Stroke. So it's got a center console, but cloth seats. So you're looking at this one at 59,000, but you got the 6.7 Power Stroke. But it's got cloth, not leather. But that in a diesel would be awesome. Should have recognized the exhaust pipe not being the gas, but oh well. Yeah, a crap ton of F-250s here. But I do like this ruby red though. This ruby red is a very, very, very nice color on these trucks. Look at the black wheels on it. Oh my lord. 6.7 Power Stroke Lariat FX4, but not with the black trim accents like this one. But that's going for 75. Don't have the color on the interior, I'd rather have an all black interior. Alright guys, that's gonna do it for this this vlog. I want to thank you all so much for watching the video. If you like the video, leave a like. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe to the Trucks and Water family. We're constantly growing, changing, and trying new and better things. Comment any comments you have down below. If you have a personal message, make sure you DM me, guys. I try to get back to them ASAP, but my message box is constantly filling up, so I try. Let's just say I really, really try to get back to you all. But anyways, I'm enjoying this AC in my truck. It's 90-something degrees outside, but 5% window tint, 35% windshield with a 5% brow, AC cranked, about a good 68, 70 degrees in here. So, if that doesn't want you to get window tint from Smoky Mountain Window Tint, my 10 guys, and I don't know what else to tell you all. But anyways, I'm gonna head home, see where we go from there. So I hope you all have a great day, and remember, never give up on your dreams.